Hi everyone, I am Lakshmi. Now I'm going to share my experience in Unified Mentor as a 1 month internship as a web developer. During this web development internship, I have gone through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a real-time projects using web development. Yeah, this internship was very useful as well. It has gave me knowledge regarding the HTML by using a real-time projects which are more effectively. This internship was very collaboratively, it is a user-friendly interface which is responsive. I have learned how to develop the projects from this. I have gone to the advanced level of projects using this internship, and this internship has been uh, its insights into the website industries using HTML, JavaScript. Through this, I have learned full stack web development as well as, and this is it has grown to the debugging and troubleshoot of the codes as on the instance of time. Thank you so much, Unified Mentor, for providing this internship. Thank you.